Welcome to ClickMyProject. Today topic is a chat application using MERN. This is a chatting application on the web application. Abstract of the project. Chat application are the software programs that allow the users to communicate with each other real time over the internet. They are the typically used for the personal communication, but they are also used for the business purpose and such as the customer support and team collaboration. Chat application are the popular way the people to stay in touch with friend and family members who live or where. They can also use to communicate with the people who are the same room but unable to speak each other directly, such as the noisy and environment in our meeting. Chat application typically works by using a client-server architecture. The client software installed the user device is responsible for the sending and receiving messages. The server software is responsible for the routing message to the correct recipient and storing the message history. This message history has stored as the MongoDB database will be have stored. Flow on the diagram is the when application will be start when you have the register this yourself. You register yourself as the email ID and password will have enrolled that, and username will have get it, and login as the email ID password will to login. Show all the users will be listed on the your profile pages will be have displayed. Then will be have if you want a chat means you to click the name card of the list to be open. When you chat you have which members to enable to have search. Then we open the chat pages. When you type a chat message hi, and then both sides will be hi to send use that. Then we will have the settings, and you have the profile name will be changed to user interface. And then theme color will be changed, will be have using the settings option will be given that, and change a profile and image name status I have been the live or on live online not online will be have enroll the button will be have enroller. We have a online have to green button will be displayed, and not have on red button will be have display in the user that. In a running video in open the terminal will npm will be start. Then wait some minute. We have the connect the database will be have display in the terminal in pop-up. In database will be connected. Then client will be the open to cd to start the server. Server will connected in user interface will be connected the another terminal to enroll the cd client. They will be start take us some time. So you have first register, you have register the pages, and then you have a name as the jockey at gmail.com. You enter the password at yours. When you have registered user created successfully, then you will be login as enter your email address jockey at gmail.com. Then click in login. User logged successfully. You have the new user interface. Search your list as a map and Sam as a online to create a chart. Hi. You have the new to open the Ingato mode to another browser. So localhost to I'm logging the SAM to click a login, say invalid password. So I will retry that. So another login, user logged successfully. Jackie has sent a hi message will be have displayed. That's it. You repeated you to send a hi message. Hi. It's okay. To successfully. Sam has sent a hi. You have a click on emojis. Okay. But you have sent yes. Then to so that you have that emoji will be have sad. Do you have any options to set it? You have images will be shared. They have that. Let's have it. You have another chart. You have new as map. Hi. Hi will be then repeater. You have that. You have a change a profile picture. Then you have get a set as picture. User. You have any pictures will be have that. You can update her. To update this oval shape will be have displayed her. Have a main page will be redirect that, and Sam have messages. That's that. Sam has an line will have green button will be have display. Map has no online, so have not a display that. You have not a profile set will be have first name letter will be have display the yes. Will enter the pictures of that. When you log out, to log out. That's all. Thank you.